Saglit lang do. Uy! Baka yan mawala rin.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
Lalo kung sino.
Hindi, ikaw yung camera mo.
I think continually of those who are truly great.
By Stephen Spencer.
I think continually of those who are truly great.
Who, from the womb, remember the soul's history, through corridors of light, where the hours are suns, endless and sunny.
Whose lovely ambition was that their lips still touched with fire, should tell of the spirit, Lord from head to foot in song.
And who hoarded from the spring branches, the desires falling across their bodies like blossoms.
What is precious is never to forget.
The essential delight of the blood, drawn from ages spring,
Excuse me.
breaking through rocks and broken for our earth.
Never, never to deny its pleasure in the morning simple life. No, its brave evening demand for love.
Never to allow gradually the traffic to smother with noise and fog the flowering of the spirit.
Four, five, 6, 7, 8.
Near the snow, near the sun, in the highest fields, see how these names are fitted by the waving grass.
And by the screamers of white clouds and whispers of wind in the listening sky.
The names of those who in their lives fought for life, who were at their hearts the fire center.
Born of the sun, they traveled a short while toward the sun, and left the vivid air sun with their honor.
Tingnan niyo.